Let's move to the next thing, that is next part, that is part 3 of my video. So this Manojas Pillai, assistant professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Saraswati College, Chicago. Now let's start it. We are going to take some sums, very easier one, so that you can understand. Now this is the part problem number 1 which I have taken. There are 3 cases. You can see the soil here. Soil में Ka1 करके you have active earth pressure, you have Ka2 as your next active earth pressure. Means that this is my layer 1, this is my layer 2. H1 is the height, H2 is the height for the second layer. Now, there are 3 cases which I have mentioned. The case 1, that if the Ka1 is equal to Ka2, अगर Ka1 और Ka2 equal रहेगा तो. Case 2, that is अगर Ka1 is less than Ka2. That is my case 2. Case 3, that is Ka1 is more than Ka2. Let's check कि कौन सा case क्या देगा. Okay. So I'm taking the first case, that is if Ka1 equal to Ka2. What I have told you, let's go behind first of all. So I have told you one thing. Okay, I've told you one thing, that is to draw this diagram it's very easy. That is at here it's 0, at this point you have a triangle. The value is जितना सॉइल है यहाँ पे, लेट मी टेल दिस एज ग्यामा सॉइल था. डेप्थ कितना है, H1 है. के का वैल्यू लिखो, दैट इज K1. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट के लिए कैसा रहेगा, नेक्स्ट के लिए सेम थिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स डू दिस. सो पहले के लिए क्या है, यू हैव K1 gamma 1 H1, राइट. सो दिस, दैट इज Ka1 gamma 1 H1, ये एक सरचार्ज बन जाएगा नेक्स्ट सॉइल के लिए. तो इसके लिए मैंने इसको नीचे की तरफ डाल दिया. अंडरस्टूड दिस, यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ऊपर का सॉइल नीचे के सॉइल के लिए सरचार्ज बनता है. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज टू लेयर 2 के वजह से क्या होगा, यहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है लेयर 2, तो यहां से एक ट्राइंगल बनेगा ऑफ अ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ हाउ मच, दैट इज सेकेंड के लिए, दैट इज Ka2 gamma 2 H2. अंडरस्टूड. यहाँ का समझो कि ये मैंने gamma 1 लिया था और ये gamma 2 लिया था. वेरी इजी. ये क्यों, K1 इक्वल टू Ka2 वाला कंडीशन में. Now let's move to the, this one is done, this one is done. Any doubts in this, you can report to me. Now अगर K1 कम है और K2 ज़्यादा है, it means what, this one is lower and this one is higher. तो क्या होगा, let's see. Now if your the for the layer number 1 is the same thing, that is you have K1 gamma 1 H1. I told you 1000 times, this one is equal to your vertical stress, that is gamma 1 H1. gamma 1 यहाँ का है, gamma 2 यहाँ का है, gamma 1 to H1 into Ka1. ये स्ट्रेस देता है. Now एक चीज जो ध्यान में रखना है, that is as K1 is less than Ka2, at every intersection pressure is different. That is at every intersection pressure is different. That means what, we are going to do that. It means that at this point we can have some lower pressure, we can have some higher pressure. Now as my K1 is lesser than my Ka2, K1 is my lesser than Ka2, मतलब Ka2 ज़्यादा है, तो इसके वजह से ये आगे की तरफ जाता है. There's a trick basically, there's an increase is there. कितना होगा, we will see. Now it is like how much increase is given by, I'm sorry, yeah, it's given by ऊपर का layer. This one we call it as, actually what happens at this point, you can see you have this value, right, this value, this we call it as, at H1 it's a below value, sorry above value. ठीक है. this value जो नीचे की तरफ मिलता है ना, इसको बोलेंगे at H1 this is the below value. मतलब एक ही लेयर पे there is some above value, there is some below value. Now how I got this, this is my actually my overburden pressure. So overburden pressure is वो कितना होता है, that is Q, that is Q is my surcharge into due to layer Ka2. Understood this? At interface you have to do this, that is Q is how much, Q is my ऊपर का कितना soil है, that is half gamma 1, that is ऊपर का soil is gamma 1 into thickness is H1, but it is due to my layer number 2, so it is Ka2. This you have to understand basically. So above layer act as a surcharge with Ka2. It's the same thing I have written. So from this you can draw downward. Now ये हुआ ये point तक. ठीक है. Now you have to consider this point. This point how you can make? So you will get from here you will get a triangle having this value as Ka2 gamma 2 H2. Understood this? This is very important part. So let's move to the case number 3, that is Ka1 is more and Ka2 is lesser. That is ये ज़्यादा है और ये कम है. पहले में क्या था? पहले में ये Ka1 was lesser and Ka2 ज़्यादा था. इसके लिए increase हो रहा था. ठीक है. जब भी Ka1 ज़्यादा है और Ka2 कम है, then there is a decrease. But above layer it is the same thing. How much is this? This is my gamma 1 H1 into Ka1. Yeah. So I told you how to write this. That is H1. At H1 you have some value which is above. Above का value कितना है? Gamma 1 H1 Ka1. But you will have some value which is below. So I'm writing here H1 above equal to gamma 1 H1 Ka1. H1 below, that is at this interface you have two values, एक above वाला एक नीचे वाला. ठीक है. That is equal to your surcharge into Ka2. Understand this very part. So surcharge is equal to how much? Gamma 1 H1 into Ka2. So this value is coming here. That means it comes here. फिर एक नेगेटिव पार्ट आ जाता है यहाँ की तरफ. When you solve the problems, you will get the value in the negative part, but this was like a derivation part, so you got in this way. Understand this, please. And the next part, after doing this, this intersection you are done for Ka1, this intersection you are done for Ka2. Next part is this, so it is equal to Ka2 gamma 2 H2. Now the next problem is very much important. That is basically the units are not given, that is the unit weight is not given. तो क्या करना है? Basically it's the same thing. So you know this formulas, that is gamma d equal to g upon 1 plus e gamma w. E is given here, that is 0.7. Just put this value. G is given as this. Just put this value, and gamma w is always, you have to remember, it is 10 kilonewton per meter square, sorry, meter cube, or you can have 9.81 also, but you can take 10 also. It's not a big deal in that. You will get gamma d. And k, I have told you k equal to 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi. Sin phi का value 32 लेना. Just put here 32. You will get the value as k equal to this. Now basically I need the effective stress for this part. It would be a triangle. I know this because it's a, nothing is given, right? A soil is given and you have a soil here, so it's a triangle. नीचे का part कितना आएगा? That is gamma 1 H into K. So what is the gamma you will take? As it's a dry, so you will take 15.6 into, what is the H you will take? H is the total height. It's not given basically. In the next slide it would be given basically. Into some H is given, you just remember it, and 0.31. You will get some value. Let's move to the next one. See here 10 is given, so I'm getting the value as something in this way. And I've told you have to have locate this active thrust wala part. This part, if you're not remembering it, it's okay, because it's basically the area of this figure. Area is equal to, that is half into base. Base kitna hai? This one into height. Height is how much? The total height, that is 10. And it acts at h by 3 from the base of the this one. Okay, you will get this answer. Please check this out after solving this problem. Now we are going to the problem number 3, which is very important. That is, we are going to see what is the effect of this water table in whole this figure. Now till now एक चीज याद रखना, we have not taken C here. जो भी आ रहा है सब phi वाला आ रहा है. ठीक है, देखो phi है, C तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. Now basically this question is in this way. You have ground surface here, your water table at 3 meter depth. The total depth is given as 10 meters. You have two layers, that is water table के ऊपर जो भी layer, that is gamma dry basically. नीचे का जो भी layer, that is gamma sat. Let's understand कि कैसे बनाते हैं ये diagram, then we will move ahead. पहले तो okay, first one is this one, as the soil is same or the soil is different, we will see that afterwards. But this one, that is this layer is equal to how much? That is gamma d into h कितना है gamma d के लिए? 3 है. 3 into how much? Ka. Okay. Now यहाँ का k और यहाँ का k सेम है because only one phi is given. What is k equal to? K equal to 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi. Okay. Now you will just see this out. So basically I have gamma d. So यहाँ पे कुछ दिया नहीं था. Again I have found gamma d equal to g upon 1 plus e into gamma w gamma sat equal to, you have to remember this formulas basically. This was based on your GE1 part, not from this part. Okay, so you have your gamma d into h into your Ka. You got some value here. Now let's move to the next part. This soil, ऊपर का जो भी soil है, it will act as a surcharge मैंने बोला, तो उसके लिए उसको नीचे की तरफ लिया. You got this value. Next के लिए कौन सा है? Next तुम्हारा gamma sat है. तो gamma sat के लिए मैंने क्या बोला? You will again get a triangle. इसका वैल्यू कितना रहेगा? इसका वैल्यू रहेगा whenever there is a water table. याद रखो gamma sat नहीं लेना है. You have to take gamma submerge, which is gamma sat minus gamma w into h कितना आएगा यहां से यहां तक, that is 7 meters. So into 7 into what you have to do? K A. Understood? इसके बाद एक बार ये बन गया, that is एक बार ऊपर का सॉइल का हो गया, एक बार नीचे का सॉइल का हो गया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज योर इफेक्टिव स्ट्रेस ड्यू टू, सॉरी, योर अर्थ प्रेशर ड्यू टू योर वाटर एलोन. दैट इज वाटर का अलग सा आएगा. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वाटर ऑल्सो इट इज like it's for water, so I'm writing gamma w into h कितना है? 7, because water table is here, till here it is 7 meters. So into 7 into your kw. यहाँ पे k नहीं आएगा. K is for soil, kw is for this. Kw I have told you it is always equal to 1. Can get this. Let's check this out. Now जैसे ही मैंने बोला, that is gamma sat minus gamma w into h into Ka. You get some value. Next we will go, you due to water, that is, sorry, this one is your gamma w into h. You got 70. Understood this? Now you have to understand one more thing कि Pa कहाँ पे एक्ट करेगा. पहले कैसा था? तुम्हारा ट्राइंगल आ रहा था, मैंने बोला कि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल है, तो पी ए इक्वल टू कितना? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट आ गया, और ये एक्ट कर रहा है h/3 में. बट यहाँ पे कितना है? देयर आर मेनी सर्फेसेस हियर. 1 2 3 4, all are different, right? So to calculate PA, one smallest equation that we have is, I will show you. First divide this all the things into surfaces. I will show. So एक PA मुझे ढूंढना है, and I have to determine where it is located. So I have done one thing, that is I have defined the surfaces. This is my surface 1, this is my rectangle, that is 2 3 and 4. Let's move ahead. So can see this, that is SR number is 1, means it's a triangle. Don't need to write this in exam, this is just for your reference. It's a triangle. Now the PA is what? Area of this figure, that is half. I am taking it as 0.5 into base. Base कितना है triangle का? ये देखो, ये base आएगा, triangle का भी same, that is 14.51 into 3. Can see it from here, into 3, right? You will get some value. Now what is your y bar? Y bar is basically what? You have your PA1 here, right? This is your PA1. Now y bar is this distance till this one. Okay, now let's check what I am written. From here to here, the total height is how much? Total height is 3 meters. This I know. Okay, I will just take a forward look. Total height is 3 meters. If I am having a P here, this will act from here at h/3, that is 3/3, right? Now but I need this distance from my base. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना है? ये है 7 मीटर का. You have 7 meters. So basically my y bar would be 7 plus 3/3. That is 7 is still here, plus 3 by 3. I need this distance na. So this is my 3 by 3. So this I have written it here. Understood? Now rectangle. Rectangle कौन सा? Second part का. How much it would be? That is 15.51 into 7. You will get that answer. The same thing. It is ये total कितना है? You have 7 here. This box is of 7 height. Height कितना है box का? That is 7 meters. So it would be at 7 by 2. Always remember for triangle it is the PA act as h by 3 and for rectangle it act as h by 2. Just you have to remember this. You got all the things. एक बार आ गया इन सब का total निकालो, you will get total PA. Once you get total of this na, you have to use this formula. That is y bar equal to P1 y1. That is P1 is which one? This one. That is you will write 21.77 into 7 plus 3 by 3. Understood? This is your P1, this is your Y1, this is your P2, this is your Y2, this is your P3, this is your Y3, this is your P4, this is your Y4. Divided by P total. P total is this one. Okay, you will get the answer. That's it. Now, the last one, I know this video is very lengthy, but you have to just this. I hope this is the last one. So, unit weights are not given. Again, the same problem I have taken. Unit weights तो दिया ही नहीं है इसमें. So, gamma D, I told you there's a formula. Gamma sat, I told you there's a formula. You have to just rectify that and you have to apply here. With the water table plus surcharge. अभी surcharge भी आ गया इसमें. See, basically gate में क्या होता है? You get in this way. So previous problem I have shown you the figure, the same figure, right? All will remain same. Effect क्या आएगा? Surcharge है, you will get a box here. I will show you. Now I told you surcharge का magnitude कितना रहेगा? Q into KA. What is the value for Q? That is 50 into KA. I will show you. See, that is 50 is your Q into KA. You are getting this value. Again, you will divide the surfaces 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will get 5 surfaces. Use this table. No need to write this. This only for your reference. You will get 587 as your P total. Then you will have P1, Y1 plus P2, Y2 plus P3, Y3 plus P4, Y plus 4, P5, Y5 divided by P. You get some answer. I don't have the answer for this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, be aware of coronavirus. To all my dear students, be safe and stay at home, please.